Good morning, dear children. Today we can start our fifth chapter, that is the practical lab in computers. Okay, so while comparing the modern era and the ancient period, we will feel the difference. How? Yes, the technology is more advanced in this period, right? So, can you say how the technology affect our education? Is it positively or negatively? Can you say? Of course it is positively. Now we are experiencing that, right? Dear children, can you imagine that if these technologies are not now, then how can we learn? How can you go through the e-learning? How will you conduct the online classes? These are not possible, no? But now our technology is more advanced and so we can do all the activities online. Okay. Likewise, you can do the practical sections in your computer. Did you heard about continental drift? I have studied that in the social science textbook. Did you think about how has our green earth formed? Is the continents are there in the same space? Now we are seeing? No. The continents and the oceans were formed when the lithospheric plates were floated on the top of asthenosphere, that is partially in the liquid form, right? You have studied all those things in your social science, right? Okay. So dear children, in this chapter we can study about the continental drift. How can we play the animation of continental drift in our computer? Okay, so let us move to the practical section. Activity 5.1, Formation of Continents. So we are doing the activities in a software. Its name is G-Plates software. So dear children, can you say how can we open the G-Plate software? Let us try that. Click on Applications, then Education, and here you can see the software G-Plates. Okay, so Applications, then Education and G-Plate software. Okay, this is the G-Plate software. We can maximize this window. Here you can see lot of tools in the toolbox. Then you can see the menus like File, Edit, View, Features, Reconstruction, Utilities, Tools, Window, Help, etc. Okay, so first of all we can open the feature collection by clicking on File, then Open Feature Collection. Okay, you have to remember the order. Okay, File, then Open Feature Collection. In this you have to open G-Plates project. Okay, open G-Plates project on the home. This is the G-Plates project. From the G-Plates project you have to open shapefile. Okay, so double click on shapefile. Now you can see 7 files. From this you have to select all these 7 files. Okay, so for that press Ctrl A on your keyboard. Next click on the open button. Now the layer window opens along with the main window. This is the layer window. Okay, you can see the name of this window. What is the name? Layers. Okay, so this is the layers window. How can we open the layers window? Yes, click on the File, then Open Feature Collection, then go to Home, G-Plates project folder, open the folder shapefile, select all the files, then click on the open button. Now the layers window will be opened. There is another way to open the layers window. I'm just closing this. Click on the window menu. Then show layers. You can click on the option show layers. See, now also the window is opened. Okay. Here you can see the toggle visibility. Can you see the icon of eyes? See, this is the toggle visibility keys. Okay, toggle visibility. This is indicated by the sign of eye. Okay. By clicking on that, you can see the difference. See? Okay, you can show or hide the layer by clicking on the toggle visibility option. So, what is the use of toggle visibility? We can either show or hide each layer. Okay. See? Okay. Now, we can drag the globe. This is the globe, so we can drag the globe by clicking on drag globe tool. This is the drag globe tool. Okay, so select drag globe tool and we can freely move the globe using our mouse or arrow keys in the keyboard. Okay, like this we can move our globe freely. Okay, but listen children, if you are using any other tools from this toolbox, okay, now I am selecting this feature selection tool and I am trying to move the globe. Possible? No, I cannot move. So, for moving the globe while we are using any other tool in the toolbox, we can press the control key in the keyboard and move the globe. Okay, I am just pressing the control key and now I can move the globe easily. Okay. So, which tool is used for moving the globe? Drag globe tool. Okay. Drag globe tool. And while using other tools in the tool palette, you can press the control key in the keyboard and move the globe. Okay. Now, we can see the geographic plates in different colors. Okay, here you can see triangle symbol in the left side of each layer. See, this is one layer, this is second layer, this is third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Okay, so like this there are 7 layers. So in the left side of each layer you can see the triangle symbol. Okay, you have to select this second layer. Std.9 ESR 2012 coastlines 2012.1 polygon. So you have to click on the triangle named Std.9. Okay, coastal lines. So I am just clicking there. From this you have to select the fill polygon option. Put a tick mark on the fill polygons option. Okay. See. Now the geographic plates are visible in different colors. Okay. We can just move it. Can you find India here? Okay. So this is the colorful globe. So how can we make colors? Yes. Click on the left side triangle on each layer. From this you have to select fill polygons option. Okay, fill polygons option. Now select the view menu. Okay, view menu. From this you have to select configure text overlay. Okay. you can see nothing is active here. Okay, so for getting active, you have to put a tick mark on the enable text overlay option. Okay, now I am getting a tick mark here. Here you can see MA means mega annum. Okay, so this is measured in mega annum, that is the duration of continent formation. Okay, we can see the duration of continent formation and it is measured in MA. Okay, 1 mega annum is equal to 1 million years. Okay, 1 mega annum is equal to 1 million years. Now click on the OK button. You know that the continents moved into different direction due to tectonic pressure, right? Due to tectonic pressure, the continents moved to different directions, but it will take a million of years. Okay, so you can see the formation of continents by taking lot of years, million of years in the animation. Okay, so how can we see that? Just select the window option, then select full screen. Okay, here you can see play the animation button. I am clicking on that. See, you have seen the wonderful visual of how various continents reached their present position after so many evolutionary stages of coming together and drifting apart over the years. See, look at India. Okay, it is reaching 0. Okay, 0 mega annum. Okay, so dear children, how can we play the animation? Just click on the window menu, then select full screen option, then select play the animation button. Okay, now this animation also we can display backwards. Okay, the continental drift animation can be viewed in two ways, that is from the ancient period to modern era and also from this modern era to ancient period. Okay, so for escaping, we can click on the escape option in the keyboard. Now click on the reverse the animation option from the configure animation in the reconstruction menu. This is the reconstruction menu. Select configure animation. Okay, this is the configure animation window. Now click on the reverse the animation option. This is the reverse the animation option. Now play. See, now the animation is getting backwards. Okay, that is from this period to ancient times. Okay, okay. Now the animation can be viewed in different projection forms. Okay, so we can view the animation in different projection forms. First one is 3D orthographic. Okay, then rectangular, Mercator, then Mulvade and Robinson. Okay, so these are the 5 ways that the animation can be viewed. Okay, which are they? 3D orthographic, rectangular, Mercator, Mulvade and Robinson. Okay, these are in the view control option. This is the view control option. Okay, that we can see at the bottom of the main window. This is the view control option. You can restore the window by a click on the leave full screen mode on the top of window. Okay, leave full screen mode. We can select the leave full screen mode on the top of the window. We can exit from the window. Okay, we can restore the window. Okay, so these are all about the geographical plates in different colors, then the toggle visibility, then projection in many ways and animation. Okay, now we can save it. Select file, select save project option. From here you can go to your folder, students work 9th folder. Here you can give the name of the file. Now I am giving the continent formation. Okay, name as continent formation. Then select on the save button. Now let us check whether this is saved or not. Okay, click on places, home, then documents, then go to your folder, students work 9th. Can you see G plates continent formation? See, this is our file. Okay, so here you can see the file extension of this continent formation file. What is that? Gproj. Okay, Gproj. This is the unique file formats of Gplates project. Okay, Gproj. Now, if you want to open this project, okay, it cannot be opened by double clicking on this file. There are 2 methods for opening this. First one is that select this file, then right click, open with other application. Here you can see Gplates and select that. Okay, so right click and open with Gplates. This is one method. Then another method is that click on the file option. Then here you can see open project. From this you can select the file. What is the name? Continent formation. From this we can open continent formation.gproj file. Okay, so these are the 2 methods for opening the file from the home folder. Okay, dear children, these are all about Gplate software, some of the basic things. I hope you all understood this. We can do the practical sessions from the computer lab, so don't get tension. Okay, this is very simple and this is very easy to do. Okay, you have to write one word question and answers, and your assignment is that you have to write a short note on the continental drift. Okay, write a short note on continental drift. Okay,